I don't know who need to hear this, but if you can have access to police body cam videos, I mean original one, that's number one. If you can lay your hands on a quality voiceover, like a perfect one, that's number two. And number three, if you can have a good video editor, bro, you're literally sitting on a gold mine. Today we are going to be looking at one of the most successful police body cam channel that is dominating the faceless video niche. But before I start showing you the numbers that the channel is pulling out, I first did a quick research. I went on Gemini and asked list current top 10 most viewed faceless YouTube channel in the last, it's supposed to be 30 days. So it gave me Lo-Fi Girl, Days of Internet, 5 Minutes to Craft, Brightside. Lo-Fi Girl has generated only 25 million views. 80.70 million views. This is what Days of Internet have actually generated in the last 30 days. And don't forget also that these views are not coming off from long form. They are coming from both long and short form content. Because if you come here, you see that it uploads short form videos. And it's as if short form videos is as if is one of the highest generator of their views in the last 30 days. So all the whole channels that Gemini provided for me that have the highest views in the last 30 days, like they are not even up to this police body cam channel. Bro, take a look at this channel. In the last 30 days alone, it has generated about 85 million views and did only about 3 videos. This guy to tell you that this police body cam channel is a gold mine. So like I said before, if you have any way that can get access to raw police body cam videos, a good voiceover, and a nice video editor, bro, you're literally sitting on a gold mine. I've not seen a channel with just only this amount of upload that have gotten about 1.2 billion views. Bro, this channel, it is wonderful. But let me don't overpaint it, bro, because behind every result there is always a hard work. Now let's go to the next part of the video, which is how much the channel is currently generating. Bro, if you look at the videos here, no one there is below 30 minutes, 58 minutes, 54 minutes, 40 minutes. So with this length of video duration, this also implies that the revenue is on the high side, bro. So when it comes to the revenue, we can't really estimate how much the channel is making. But from vidIQ's own analytic, it's showing that in the last 30 days alone, it has made over $286,000. But this one is just taking 85 million views. It's not estimating in terms of the video length, because with a video length of about 1 hour, 12 minutes, that means the advert there are going to be more than a normal 10-minute video. So the advert there can be like up to like 4 or 5 ads in between, you understand? So it's going to mean that it's like ×2 or ×3 of a normal video. So with this one, let's go with a basic RPM of like $10. But I know it's going to be more than a $10 RPM, because these videos, they are way long. I estimate something to be over $33 RPM. But let's go with the typical $10 RPM. So for the last 30 days, the channel has been over 85 million views. So if we should go in by $10 RPM, with a $10 RPM, the channel should have made over $850,000. But I know it is way more than that. I'm very, very sure of that because of the length. You can see that the police body cam channel niche is kind of doing perfectly well. Like in the last 30 days, I've not seen a channel, like a pure faceless channel, that is dominating in views compared to this particular one. Here's the funniest part. All the whole views here are all long form. There is no single short form in this video. That is why I was kind of like really sure of the RPM. It is over $30 RPM. It is way beyond normal RPM. This channel, I guess, is printing up over 1 million and above in revenue every month. And I went to do some research, and I found out that you can actually get somebody to be getting this kind of raw footage for you. Like you can get their services on Fiverr. So when you get there, you will see professional people that their main work there is just to get this kind of raw video footages. You understand? Like police body cam incident. Like they have access to like all this court document, court record. They have all these things. So you just need to be paying them like a certain agreed amount. Like the opportunity is open for anybody that want to go it. So I said, let me just update you with this news that I just found. This stuff I just found here. Anybody that's interested, you can actually like go on Fiverr, research more on how to start this kind of a channel, and you'll be on the right path. So do have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next side.